Hi, my name is Chezlynn Ullbricht. I am the service manager at Hyundai Midrand. Okay, my journey at the dealership started in 2014 at Kia Pietermaritzburg. I stayed in that role for about 3 months, and from there I went to a service advisor position. Within 4 months of being a service advisor, I was then promoted to being a warranty clerk. While I was still a warranty clerk, I still continued and got my master's in service advising. And my journey with Hyundai Pietermaritzburg ended in 2016 because I got a job in Durban. So I was actually working at Durban multi-franchise, where I was dealing with Kia and Renault warranties. I stayed there for another 2 years, 3 years, and I used to commute between Maritzburg and Durban daily. So it obviously became a challenge to drive up and down. Thereafter, I got a job at Hyundai Pietermaritzburg as a warranty clerk. So I started there in November 2018, and my journey with Hyundai Pietermaritzburg ended last year, February 2025. And that's when I was afforded the opportunity to become a service manager at the Hyundai Midrand branch. My family motivate me to get up in the morning, get to work, push daily. And I've also got a boss that believes so much in me. And and most importantly, myself, I'm a person that doesn't like to fail. So I push myself to the maximum daily. So our workplace culture, it's a very vibrant one. We just for me, I like to just surround myself with positive people. We always celebrating the littlest of wins, always sort of creating, that atmosphere whereby, your work doesn't go unnoticed. You acknowledge everyone. So I think that's part of how I keep myself motivated, is looking at the small wins and celebrating those small wins. So even if they are small, I know that I've achieved something, and that allows me to remain positive. I would tell her, never give up. Keep pushing on. There's going to be a lot of people that don't believe in you, but all you need is yourself. You need to push yourself and don't listen to what people say. You can do it. Thank you for watching. Please make your way through to our new dealership. We opened up on the corner of Monroe Road and New Road. Come and check out the fabulous deals that we have. Come and have some coffee. Come and look at our workshop. I think that it's going to be great for our Midrand customers and surrounding areas. Thank you.